LX Spiral Sand Washer. The series of products can clean and separate the soil and debris in the sand and gravel, remove the water in the sand and gravel. Its innovative sealing structure, adjustable overflow weir plates and reliable transmission device ensure the series of products efficient and durable, to achieve the effect of cleaning and dewatering, suitable for the units of sand using such as highway, water conservancy, construction and other sectors. Working principle and structure. The machine is composed of main components such as weir plates, housings, spiral body, a reducer and a motor. This equipment has the functions of both washing and dewatering. The sand and stone wash dressing machine is arranged by 15 degrees inclination. At the lower part of the sink, the weir plates from 3 sides are enclosed into a sedimentation tank. The head of the spiral body is submerged into the sedimentation tank. The spiral body is driven by the motor through the reducer and continuously rotates, and then the clear water is fed by the porous plates at the bottom of the sedimentation tank. The sand is entered into the sedimentation tank from the feed box. Under the action of the rotating spiral blades, the sand and stone roll and grind each other to remove the impurities overlaid on the surface of the sand and stone and simultaneously destroy the water vapor layers of cladding the sand particles to facilitate dewatering. The clear water flow ongoing from the porous plate forms the rising water flow and brings the foreign materials with small specific gravity to the water surface to overflow out of the weir plates and completes the cleaning. The particles with large specific gravity sink into the bottom of the sink. The spiral blade pushes the sand and stone up on the side of the bending plates at the sink bottom. Because the length of the sink exceeds the lower horizontal line for a suitable length, in the process of advancement upward, the excess water of the sand and stone is removed, and the water flows into the sedimentation tank from the drainage ditch on the other side of the tank bottom.
Carrying forward the spirits of fine workmanship for manufacturing, research, development and innovation. Dedicating to solutions to the mineral crushing and screening. We are Shanghai Zhuyan.